This mini PC can replace your gaming laptops. These mini PCs are more affordable than a gaming laptop and can be even more better in performance. So if your budget is $700, then this is a great option for you. Mini PCs are very popular nowadays and they take up less space in the desk due to their compact size. In this video we will answer all your questions and it will be very easy for you to decide which is better for you, mini PC or gaming laptop. If you want to buy the product shown in this video, then links are in the description where you can buy it very easily. So let's get started the video. First of all, let's talk about the price. Gaming laptops are very expensive, but mini PCs are available at very reasonable price. Gaming laptops are also portable, but here we are talking about a budget. If your first priority is gaming but your budget is very tight, then a mini PC can be a great choice for you. If you are choosing a laptop because of its portability, a mini PC is much smaller in size when compared to a full desktop. Mini PC is not only portable but can give you a good performance in which you can play game very well or any other work like editing and any other office work. Some people like high refresh rate monitor, but some laptops in this budget are giving 60 Hz display. But with mini PC you can get benefit like you can set up the monitor as you want, like the size of monitor you want or the refresh rate you want. Then in some laptop you don't get the option of mechanical keyboard, but in mini PC it will be very easy for you to install a mechanical keyboard according to your choice. One of the major advantages of mini PC is their upgradability. Unlike most gaming laptops which often come with limited upgrade option, mini PCs allow you to swap out components very easily. Want a better graphic card or more RAM? No problem. This flexibility ensures that your gaming machine can be upgraded for your choice. While mini PC has so many advantages, its biggest disadvantage is that you don't carry it from one place to another, like you can't use mini PC while traveling. In this situation, laptops are the best choice. If you travel a lot, you should buy a laptop, not mini PC. This is my recommendation. What you should buy or what is the best, mini PC or gaming laptop? Please share your valuable opinions in the comment section so that we know what you like or what you prefer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.